Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the cameras on OnePlus 9 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic upright tool and gently cut the adhesive. Take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame by undoing screws. First, take out the shield and disconnect and remove the flasher plug. And then undo 11 screws and lift the board frame with the wireless coil using a pry tool. Next, from the right hand side, disconnect the main flex and battery plugs. Next, unplug the antenna head and move it aside from the camera connectors. Next, disconnect 4 plugs and take out the rear camera module from the board. There is a 3-in-1 camera unit and one separate main camera unit. Next, on the top right, unplug and take out the front camera. As you can see, it is possible to separate the 3-in-1 camera module from the unit. Next, replace the required broken camera and place it on the unit, and then into the board. Next, connect the antenna head, main and battery connectors to the board. Next, secure the logic board frame by adding 11 screws, and also make sure to connect the flash sensor and the shield. Next, insert the SIM tray and place the back cover on the body. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide in OnePlus 9 Pro. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.